Whereby Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Whereby, a simple yet powerful video conferencing tool designed to make virtual meetings easy. If you're interested, you'll find the link to Whereby in the description below. Whereby is tailored for businesses, teams, and individuals looking for a straightforward, no-frills platform that focuses on ease of use and high-quality video calls. One of the major highlights of Whereby is its simplicity. Unlike other platforms that require lengthy downloads or complex setups, Whereby runs directly in your browser. All you need is a link to join the meeting. No downloads, no hassle. This makes it an ideal choice for users who need a quick, accessible solution for virtual meetings without any technical complications. Whereby offers HD video and audio quality, ensuring that every meeting runs smoothly without any lags or interruptions. It's built to support small to medium-sized meetings, with the ability to host up to 50 participants on the most advanced plan. The platform also offers useful features like screen sharing, recording, and text chat, allowing for better collaboration during meetings. One of the standout features is custom meeting rooms. Each meeting gets its own unique, permanent link, which can be shared with clients or team members, making recurring meetings even more convenient. Additionally, Whereby allows you to brand your meeting rooms with your logo and custom background, making it ideal for businesses that want to present a professional image. Security is also a priority with end-to-end encryption for all meetings, ensuring that your conversations remain private. The platform doesn't store video recordings or messages, which is a plus for companies focused on data privacy. Whereby is suitable for teams, educators, remote workers, and even freelancers. With its intuitive interface, it's perfect for anyone who needs to get started quickly with minimal learning curve. Whether you're hosting team meetings, client calls, or webinars, Whereby provides a simple yet reliable solution. In conclusion, Whereby is a user-friendly, secure, and reliable video conferencing tool that excels in delivering a smooth experience for both personal and professional use. Check out the link in the description for more details and start using Whereby today.